Good evening. Preparation time for tomorrow. No matter how many times I pull up the charts, I always feel, very exciting. I'm not sure if you also enjoy analyzing the charts as much as I do, but for me, it's my passion and I really like analyzing them. So Nifty again, strong run up, and then we have the pullback day. Again, a strong attempt by the buyers. However, eventually it ended up as an indecision day. The more time prices will spend here around these areas, it will only make the buyers strong. And it has already started looking that sellers have begun to losing the ground. Weekly is also looking strong. On the hourly chart, we have this first pivot low and lower high, which suggests that prices might spend some more time around these areas or might even pull back. However, if they spend more time above this pivot low, that suggests that prices will go eventually up going forward. So all buyers have to do as of now is just to spend more time or to absorb whatever selling is coming, and eventually I'm sure that they will win because we are in a strong bull run, which definitely going to be in the favor of the bulls. So let's just see what is happening on the bank nifty end. Good attempt from the buyers. They have cleared the high of this bar. However, at the high of this candle, the selling eventually became uh, coming in, and the sellers have moved the prices to the downside. But all in all, it is just a matter of time. Sellers are not able to take the battle from here, and I think they will gonna lose because buyers are gradually absorbing all the selling which is coming from these higher areas. And it looks like that this was the bottom of this market on the daily chart. We have this declining 50 MA. However, I think it will gradually stabilize, and as prices will catch up with the 20 MA, markets or they will going to be in a strong uptrend from here. So bank nifty is also looking very bullish as of now. Weekly is also looking strong here. I think that the same as we have just seen in the nifty, the more time prices will spend here around these areas and remain above these lows which bulls have created, eventually they will take up the ground and prices will move above. So all in all, markets are looking bullish. There are no signs of selling as of now. Whatever selling is coming at the highs, probably bulls are just soaking in all of them, which is a bullish signal. Again, the more time prices will spend here and will not go beyond these pivot lows, probably it will just continue to move in an uptrend. Unlike nifty where we have seen the lower high and lower low, in bank nifty we have this higher high here. So this was the major support area, and we have a new high. Just clean this up and let me show you a clear trend here. The only thing is that if eventually, let's say on Monday, it will make a head and shoulder kind of a pattern, which means that on Monday, if prices will open and remain at the lower levels or below here and just dip down, probably we will see some kind of pullback this week. But in my opinion, based on what are what we can see on the daily and weekly time frames, prices will take from here, and they will move eventually, or probably instead of making the head and shoulder pattern, prices will directly open gap up and take out the highs. And if that would be the case, then probably we will see the continuation of the higher highs and higher lows. No such a strong pattern on daily, however, which on which we can rely on. But let's see where prices will open. If they pull back and then move up, then we will take the appropriate position based on the pattern. If it will gap up and continue to move upside, probably we can go long above the 5-minute candle. So let's see where prices will open. Now just take a look at what other markets are doing. So let's just do some intermarket analysis. So clean this up. Crude oil making higher highs, higher lows. So in an uptrend, so it is $79 a barrel. Strong uptrend. So crude is looking bullish here. Then we have the gold. So gold is like making a go nowhere pattern, sideways market. So nothing much here. Interest rates. So this looks like a little bit cause of worry, because interest rates, as we thought, are not pulling down, and they are continue to move up, which is not a very good sign for the equity market. Because if interest rates will keep rising, it will going to impact the markets, the stock market in particular. So let's see what will happen. Maybe it was because of the strong economy, or the in the anticipation of a strong economic data which might be coming in few days. Probably interest rates are rising. However, in my opinion, if equity market has to move from here, then this market should stabilize or pull back or go in a sideways movement. That would be in favor of the equity market. Okay. So we have India VIX, which is a little bit down here. Again, bullish for the markets. So that's it, guys. Let's see how Monday will open, and let's hope for the best, and let's see how and what kind of trades we will get on Monday. So if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment box, and let's catch you up in the next session. Take care. Good night.